Today I'm going to show you how to change the battery in an Alpha RE-102 wireless remote. This is a quick and simple fix that can restore a remote that's not responding or working intermittently. To start, unclip the visor mount from the back of the remote and set it aside. Next, flip the remote over and locate the 4 screws holding the housing together. Using a Phillips screwdriver, carefully unscrew all 4 screws. These screws are small, so make sure you keep them in a safe place so they don't get lost. Once the screws are removed, you can separate and remove the backplate from the remote. Inside, you'll see the button battery right away. If the battery is sitting very snug in the holder, you can use a small tool to gently push it out. Just be careful not to damage the contacts. After removing the old battery, install the replacement button battery, making sure it's fully seated in the holder. Once the new battery is in place, you can start reassembling the remote. Put the backplate back on, reinstall all 4 screws, and tighten them snugly without over-tightening. Finally, clip the visor mount back onto the remote. That's it! Your Alpha RE-102 wireless remote is now ready to be used again.